Hi guys, so yesterday I finished with creating the different tasks for the implementation of the SDK, and it's already spread across the team, so people are starting to work on that. And today I'm going to try and work out the way we're going to do CI and unit tests and stuff like that. So let's hear from the team.
So today I'm continuing to work on the implementation of a proof of concept of Cassandra and Kafka distributed system, and we'll see how it works.
Yeah, so yesterday I started to create classes for the new SDK, and today I will start to implement it.
And today we have a special guest.
Guys, yesterday I went to a very interesting networking event here in Tel Aviv, which was hosted by an American foundation. People from Google, NASA, IBM were there. We'll lead on that soon. Other than that, I'm finishing up my presentation for the team, which I will be presenting with Lior, our head of product, tomorrow for the team. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday the main focus was around different announcements we pushed out, working with the community on different topics and matters, and then also working on content over the next few weeks. Today we started off the day with a great management meeting in the morning, and then worked on some other things as it pertains to the community, the messaging and overall engagement, and then also worked with our freelancer over the next few days, or for content for the next few days. Thanks everybody, have a great day.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I focused on responding to emails and questions coming in from the community, making sure everybody understands what's going on and what's happening. Today will be more of the same, and I will also be continuing to map out the smart cities initiatives at cities and universities around the world. See you next time.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today I got the materials for a new advisor video. This is very exciting. We have another upcoming advisor video, and this time another astronaut. After that I filmed the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I did some really minor final touches to the DailyDAV makeover just to get it really finalized and get it ready for launch next week. After that I did the DailyDAV, and then I started working on the new advisor video. That's it for now. See you next time.
Hi guys. Today I am making new task. A few slides branded DAV. I'll create it in two color gamma, light and dark, for different our presentations. Also I'll make a few presentations for our partners. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.